In this video I will show you how to set up a logo on your reports and specifically on your templated reports. Assuming that you've already set up an account and created a measuring point by watching the other tutorials, I will head straight over to my profile settings to upload my logo. There we go. Update profile. Now I have uploaded my logo here, as I can see, and to quickly show you that it's working, it also shows up here in the graphs nicely. I will download a default report. And my logo is shown there. Now, when I go to the report templates, and I will create a copy of the default system report template, I will edit it. It will not have a logo yet, as that template does not have any logos, but we still want to add a logo to it. So I'm gonna make the header a little smaller, make some space for an image, and all I gotta do now is insert a data field to the image and put my logo there. There we go. Let's modify it a bit. That could look good enough. Save this template and let's see how that turned out. And there we go. We have a logo added to our template. That's how easy it is to change the default reports. Thank you for watching this video. Go to our website to see more tutorial videos.